Hello dear children, I hope you all must be fine and keeping yourself safe by staying indoors. As you all know that we all are going to have our half yearly exams, and for the revision of half yearly exams we are going to discuss the topic, we are going to learn about the topic A sound words. In previous chapters you have learned capital cursive A to Z and fill the missing letters, but today we are going to learn about the sound words. Sound words, as you all know, we have 26 alphabets from A to Z, and these alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now out of these 26 alphabets, we have 5 alphabets, that is A, E, I, O and U. These 5 alphabets A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Vowels or sound words. Like in Hindi, we have Hindi Swarmala A, E. The same way we have vowels in English alphabets A, E, I, O and U. Now we come to the sounds that these alphabets have. The words which are having sound of A for ऐसे, ऐनक are A sound words. E, the words which are having sound of A are E sound words. I, the words having sound of E are I sound words. O, the words having sound with O are O sound words. And U, the words having sound of A say anar are A sound words. Now let us come to the words related to these sounds. Like for A, we have CAT, cat, FAT, mat, MAT, mat. There can be so many other words, but here I am giving you examples of only 3 words. E, DEN, den, MEN, men, PET, pet. O, POT, pot, COT, cot and HOP, hop. KIT, kit and LIT, lit. For U sound, CUP, cup, MUG, mug and CUB, cup. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to write 2 words of each sound. A sound, we can write as many words as you like. The words which you want to write, you can write the words of your choice, but the word should have proper meaning, like FAN, fan, CAN, can. For E sound, PET, pet and JET, jet. For I sound, KID, kid and B-I-D, bid. For O sound, H-O-T, hot, and F-O-X, fox. For U sound, R-U-G, rug, and C-U-B, cup. Now let us come to our reading part. For A sound words, B-A-T, bat, B-A-T, bat, K-A-T, cat, F-A-T, fat, H-A-T, hat, M-A-T, mat. I am reading according to the phonic sounds also. B-A-D, bad, or B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad, or D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, had, H-A-D, had. M-A-D, mad, M-A-D, mad. V-A-N, van, V-A-N, van. Now let us come to the E sound words. D-E-N, den, D-A-N, den. H-E-N, hen, H-A-N, hen. M-E-N, men, M-A-N, men. P-E-N, pen, P-A-N, pen. T-E-N, ten, T-A-N, ten. B-E-T, bet, B-A-T, bet. W-E-T, wet, V-A-T, wet. M-E-T, met, M-A-T, met. N-E-T, net, N-A-T, net. P-E-T, pet, P-A-T, pet. I sound words. B-I-T, bit, B-I-T, bit. F-I-T, fit, F-I-T, fit. H-I-T, hit, H-I-T, hit. K-I-T, kit, K-I-T, kit. L-I-T, lit, L-I-T, lit. B-I-N, bin, B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin, F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin, P-I-N, pin. S-I-N, sin, S-I-N, sin. T-I-N, tin, T-I-N, tin. Now let us come to the O sound words. C-O-P, cop, K-O-P, cop. H-O-P, hop, H-O-P, hop. M-O-P, mop, M-O-P, mop. P-O-P, pop, P-O-P, pop. T-O-P, top, T-O-P, top. B-O-X, box, B-O-X, box. O-X, ox. N-O-T, knot, N-O-T, knot. F-O-X, fox. H-O-T, hot, H-O-T, hot. U sound words. B-U-N, bun, B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun, F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun, G-U-N, gun. B-U-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. R-U-G, rug. R-A-G, rug. H-U-B, hub. H-A-B, hub. P-U-B, pub. P-A-B, pub. C-U-B, cub. C-A-B, cub. B-U-T, butt. B-A-T, butt. C-U-T, cut. C-A-T, cut. Children, these are the reading pages, but in your textbook you are having the other reading pages, and you have to read all the sound words according to the phonetic sounds also.